our subscribers. They will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see this copy of the install macOS application is damaged and can't be used to install macOS. So why you see this message and how you can fix it. So also you know that you just need to download installation Mac only from verified developers, and that's why just go to App Store, just write in the search name of macOS version you want to install. So for example, Big Sur, and after you will see it here, just tap on view and just tap on get. So download the version of Mac only from App Store. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.